Hello, welcome this morning. Let's look at this JAMB past question 2019, question number 4. Find the gradient of the line joining the points P with coordinates 5 and 6 and Q with coordinates 3 and 3. Options A 3, B 1 over 2, C 3 over 2, D 2. Now you can find this topic under coordinate geometry. And now if you have a point P that is connected to another point Q, the point P is going to have the x and y as 5 and 6 as given here. Then point Q is going to have its x and y as 3 and 3. Remember, the first one is x, the second one is y. The first one is x, the second one is y. So you can call this x1, y1. Whereas you call this one x2, y2. So how do you go about solving this? We all know that gradient represented as m. If you represent your gradient as m, is simply equal to change in y all over change in x. Very simple. So you can simply say y2, which is change in y2 over y1 all over x2 over x1. So from what we have here, what is our y2? y2 is what? 3 minus what is y1? This is our y2. This is our y1. y1 is what? 6. What is x2? x2 is 3. What is x1? x1 is 5. So this is equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus cancel minus will give us 3 over 2. So that is the answer, and it's very clear here. Option number 6, 3 over 2. Option C, 3 over 2. So the formula is very simple. Change in y over change in x, and this is how you represent moving from point P to point Q. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Let me draw this here in case if my face is covering the other side. We have point P with coordinates 5 and 6. This line joining it to point Q with coordinates 3 and 3. That is what I drew here in case if my face is covering it. So this is what we call x1 and this is y2. The first one is normally x, the second one is y. So this is now x2, whereas this one is y2. So you now use this formula, just impute the values and you get your this. Please hit the subscribe button and like our video. Give us thumbs up, share them so that your friends can see and use them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless.